A fresh appeal for unity among the people was aired at the Pinaglabanan Memorial Shrine in the city of San Juan. Senator Gregorio Honasan stressed the need for the people to be one in the fight against poverty, hunger, lack of housing, education, and health. Freddy Abando covered the Pinaglabanan event, and this is his report.
The first volley of gunfire was fired in Pinaglabanan by Filipino patriots, which marked the start of the Philippine Revolution against Spain. 115 years later, our people continue to celebrate the gift of freedom from our heroes. Like all celebrations held yearly, the Philippine flag, which is a symbol of our nation, was raised again as a source of national pride for us to remember a time of patriots. It is also a time for thanks and tribute, never to forget their supreme sacrifice. Yes, the Philippines is an independent nation, a nation blessed with the wealth of God's creations. Yet poverty reigns. A call to arms to fight poverty is now on track.
Ang pagtataas po ng ating watawat ay isa lamang bahagi ng patuloy nating laban sa kahirapan. Kahirapan sa gutom. Pagkukulang sa tahanan, pabahay. Pagkukulang sa mga programang pang-edukasyon. Pagkukulang sa pagamutan. Mga pangunahing serbisyo na kayang gawin kung desidido ang pamunuan at nagkakaisa yung taong bayan.
President Aquino vowed to reduce poverty incidence. His quest, with the support of all national leaders, is sustained economic growth to spread the benefits of inclusive growth. Senator Gregorio Honasan is one with the President's commitment. It will take all leaders and our people to believe in unity, keeping faith with each other. We will prevail.
Ang tanging pinag-iingatan nating yaman ay hindi yung ating sarili o yung kung anumang pwesto ang narating o naabot natin sa ating maiksing buhay. Ang tanging yaman na pinag-iingatan natin ay yung ating mga anak, yung ating mga nakababatang kapatid, yung ating mga estudyante na tumitingala sa atin. Ang tungkulin natin ay ihanda sila. Gawin silang mas matalino, mas malusog, mas malakas, mas masaya, mas ligtas. At turuan sila kung paano magmahal sa lupang tinubuan.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.